Hey guys, it's Bricky. Yes, I'm still in my PJs. It's raining currently. I was just finishing off tidying off my room, but today I am gonna be making. Sorry if I'm a bit croaky because I have tonsillitis. I know it's not great. It's really not great. But today I'm showing you how many defects I've got on my squishies. But one of them you'll be like, oh my god, that's got so many defects. I know. I'm really upset about it. Yes. But currently I'm working on one. And then I've got some, and then next time, oh my cup. Next time I'll be finishing off my makeup tutorial. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So I've got on my table. No. I leave my table such a mess. I don't really know. I know it's annoying. My gel scented pens. Actually, can it be better like this? No. Let me just put away my pen quickly. This is really easy. Holding my phone. I'm using my pop socket. Some people think I'm 11. Well, I'm not exactly. I'm 8. Yeah, nice to know. No, I can't put my pen in. Okay, right, this now it's be better. Stay. No, stay. Oh, it has to stay like this. So my first squishy, I'm gonna show you my one. Not my one. My unicorn one. So here it is. It's not really polarizing. I want it at South End. It's got a lot of defects. You can already see on the tail. Focus. Look at all that defect. And even there's a ripped part here when I got it. It's annoying. Does everybody get this with a unicorn squishy? Their neck starts to rip. And this was actually my second ever unicorn squishy. And there, and oh no, the tail's in the way. There. I don't know why, but I think it's where I've been squishing it so much, where the paint's been coming off. Look, paint. Oh yeah, and that part there. Okay, next squishy. When I first got this, it got loads of defects, it did. All the paint came off, so obviously I redone it in silver pen. It stayed on. I think it looks, to me, it's one of those cookies. It's like, the wrong reason you see this? It's crinkled. It's crinkled. It's basically because there's a hole there. That's why it's crinkly. And I'm pretty sure there's another one somewhere. Oh yeah, near this hook, there's loads of defects around it. And there's this one here. Focus. Oh, I focused. No, this one's in the way. Well, my light. Look. That is bad. It's ripped. And so is that. That's bad. But this is good. Actually, no, it's not. It's not good. It's ripped as well. So The last and final one is this one. Wow, it's defected. Look how defect that is. Look. That's defected. Really defected. Literally, this is like a slow rising one. And this is my favourite one until my friend came over. And she like got a pair of scissors and started to cut it when I was like downstairs having my lunch, and she said that she was just in the toilet, but actually she was upstairs and she found a pair of scissors. She got the scissors and cut my squishy and done that so that it's now not my favourite squishy. And then my other one, what I'm working on, I don't want to show you yet, but I'll show you when it's finished. So yeah, did you notice? Alright, you didn't notice, but I've done that. And I didn't get to finish. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I really want to get up to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. My name's called Tidsbum. I know, that's very Tiddles, I mean. Not Tidsbum. That's my Xbox account. Yep. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. No. Snapchat. Snapchat. Yeah, Snapchat. I'll link my name down below. So yeah, hopefully you like this video, and I shall get a new one of these. I shall get a new one of these. And see you next time, guys. But not guys. See you next time. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.